Jessica Michelle Vigania. Requesting the parents and the Sunday school teachers, Ate Tina, Ate Ella, Ate Caris, and Ate Althea. Okay, sa gilid lang, Jessica. Huwag kang uupo, Jessica. And best in memory verse for the faithful group goes to Yesha Pagaduan and Macy Angela Garcia. Ayan. Okay, kayo sa stage. Ayan, ang parents ni Macy and ni Pastor John. Picture. Okay, next, best in arts. Wala pang uupo, Yesha. Best in arts for the faithful group goes to Almira Rose de la Cruz and Raven Emmanuel Ramos. Palakpakan naman natin. Wala si Raven. Okay, and Emerson Kabuga. Picture. Most diligent for the faithful group goes to Richard Miho G. Manantang. Requesting the parent. Most obedient, April Hope G. Orteras. Malakpak naman. Ayan. Requesting the teachers, the parents of April. And most trustworthy, Jamie G. Lumacton. Requesting the parent. And the parent. Okay, group picture with the Sunday school teachers and Pastor John. Igit na po natin si DBBS Excellence Award. Igit na po natin. Igit na po yung nakamedal. Igit na si Jessica. Dito tayo. Dito kayo awat time. Yung teacher sa likod. Ayan. Okay, palakpakan po natin ang awardee sa Faithful Group.